Hello, my name is Geraldine Esozie. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a very interesting topic for you guys. It has to do with a simple recipe to help clear hyperpigmentation, which is popularly known as sunburn. Most people believe sunburn arises as a result of a cream or lotion, burning their skin. But that is not so, because the sun contains ultraviolet aging and ultraviolet burning rays. So there are some kind of ingredients that will be contained in a particular cream that when you put it on without the use of a sunscreen and now proceed to expose yourself to the sun's rays, that is when your skin gets burnt. That is when you have sunburn. So the ingredients makes your skin photosensitive. It becomes sensitive to the sun's rays. That is why not everybody gets sunburnt, despite the fact that most people don't make use of sunscreens. It is because if your cream or moisturizer does not have an ingredient that will make your skin photosensitive, then you have no business getting burnt. But it doesn't mean you should go without a sunscreen. A sunscreen is very, very important. So that is why I've put together this recipe to help you treat sunburn in no time at all. Turmeric, milk, honey, ascorbic acid, which is also known as vitamin C, and the others. You mix up everything together. They all have lightening properties. That is why it works. So you apply, but it is very good to note that while treating sunburn, ensure you start using a sunscreen, because after the sunburn clears or the hyperpigmentation clears and you expose yourself again to the photo sensitive ingredients in your moisturizer, your sunburn will come back. That is why most people complain that why is it that their sunburn recurs. That is the reason, because you don't use sun protection. In this part of our world, the sun is very hot, so you will help yourself by getting a sunscreen to be used on a daily basis, even if it rains or not, as long as you're going out, because it will rain in the morning and before noon the sun comes out very hot. So protect your skin daily. Let's go see how to prepare the mask. The ingredients for today's recipe for the hyperpigmentation is powdered milk, has lactic acid that helps in exfoliating and clearing of dark marks. We also have turmeric that has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and also is also very good as a lightening agent. Honey helps to fade dark marks, as it is a very good cleanser and also a humectant that helps to keep the skin hydrated. Vitamin C or ascorbic acid, as we know, helps in brightening up of the skin, so it will fade off the dark areas in no time at all. Aloe Vera gel, the miracle plant, is awesome in the clearing of dark spots, scars, and even lightening up of tanned skin. It also lightens up dark circles, so it is a very good addition to the ingredient to this recipe to clear sunburn. So we go into the preparation. We need a tablespoon of aloe vera gel, stabilized aloe vera gel. Then a teaspoon of ascorbic acid or vitamin C. A tablespoon of powdered milk. A teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then a tablespoon of honey. And we go ahead to mix up all the ingredients into a homogeneous mixture. So here we have it. Our hyperpigmentation mask is ready. So we go ahead to apply it. This is a hyperpigmentation or sunburn mask. Though I don't have any hyperpigmentation on my skin, but just to show how it works, I'll now apply all over my face. But if you have it on a particular spot, just go ahead to apply it on the parts where you have the hyperpigments. If it's around your eyes, if it's sunburn, the area where it appears, that's by the side of the eyes, you go ahead to apply it there as well. But basically it is meant for hyperpigmentation. That's sunburn. That's the ideal name for sunburn. It appears by the side of the eyes. So I apply. Leave it to sit for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. 30 minutes is fine. Or if it's on a day when you have enough time and you're not in a hurry to leave the house, you can leave for up to 1 hour. Allow you to do its work before washing off. You can keep trying it on a daily basis, but if you have to use it on a daily basis, ensure you're not using it on the whole of your face. Let it be on the sides of your face where you have the sunburn. Ensure you don't use on every part of your face, just on the parts where you have the hyperpigments. You just apply there and you give it time to do its work. Remember, it contains vitamin C, which has lightening properties. It also has aloe vera, which also has lightening properties. There's also turmeric too that has lightening properties. So so many things in one. Even honey itself also has the ability to fade dark marks after a while. You apply it, and if you stay consistent, applying it on a daily basis for say like 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, you should see changes, because by then there should have been cell turnover, for you to now see the results. We all have different rates at which our skin reproduces itself, but ideally in 28 days or thereabouts, your skin is supposed to have reproduced itself. That is, new skin is supposed to have formed. So for some, while using this remedy for sunburn, in 2 weeks they will see results, while some others in a week they will also see results. But for some that have very hard textured skin, it could take up to a month or more. Just stay consistent. Don't expect to see changes if you use just one time. Keep at it till you see results. I'll be glad to get your feedback in the comments after you would have tried out this recipe. For those struggling with acne, my Acne Handbook comes in very handy. It helps you to understand what acne really is, different types of acne, the causes, what predisposes you to having acne, and the foods you can eat to maintain a clear complexion, and how you can eventually clear acne to have a flawless skin. The link to get your own copy is in the description of this video. Don't forget to like and share this video, since I know you've got value. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know each time a new video is uploaded. See you in my next video.